Good morning. It's the next day. I'm not in the shop today yet. Don's been doing body work on this. And he got some BC coilovers that we have to put in. What are you doing about that?
I'm just, yeah. So I have, pretty sure my radiator is leaking because there was a huge puddle underneath it. And
So
I
just
found,
got an OEM radiator.
I don't know what the hell that was.
Where the fuck did that come from?
Literally.
There's no fucking tree.
So I felt underneath it. There was coolant all underneath it. I'm just gonna pull it out. I have an OEM one that Roger gave me. I'm gonna throw the clutch fan back on and just run
That's
OEM.
it.
OEM intake too, guys. I have the pipe and everything.
That's mint. Took the skirts off. I wasn't here when he did that, but if you guys follow him on Instagram, you saw that whole Insta vlog. Still got body work and shit to do, but should be mint. And then later after this, I have to go to the shop and work on the Prelude some more. Hopefully try to get that. Like, my goal is to drive that home tonight. That would be nice. Depending on if Ronnie's available, because Jimmy's obviously not available and I need a tune, so.
He's in California.
Yeah, again. So, yeah. Need to get me that street tune so I can drive my shit. And I'm out here uploading right now because I just hit the render button last night. Alright, so we got one bolt out in the front. The bottom one is seized. Put the breaker bar on that side. It just, I can't tell if we're stripping it or what, but we need like some MAP gas to get that out. We haven't tried this side yet. I'm assuming the fronts are probably best saved for another day. Because I have a MAP gas torch at the shop. Don only has this. And it's like empty, and I think a MAP gas would like burn the tip of this. So I don't think this is made for that. But here's, this dude got them BC coilovers. Last time he had a fresh set, they went into this, and they're still in it. So fresh set of coilovers must feel nice.
I'm not gonna line it up.
Stupid long, yo. Holy
I'm not even gonna
shit.
line it up. I'm just gonna fucking.
Yeah, just put them in as is. So replace these bullshit ass Tokiko struts and lowering springs.
Yo, look at where they blew. On the welds on the bottom.
Oh,
you see the crack?
Oh yeah. That explains why your wheel was literally just fucking skipping around on the highway, dude. Alright, boy. Just copped the wheels. We out. Back to Don's. So it just freaking started raining, kind of like drizzling.
Every time I have to work on my car.
Literally every time. We got some washers and whatnot for the arms in the back. You only need it for the rear, the cast or whatever it is. The tow arm. Alright, so my boy Scarence Terrence has been bugging out. This dude got the Butch band on. This dude got friggin' radiator hoses. Are the hoses tight?
Yeah. This dude starts filming when we're doing sketchy shit.
What are you doing? Using a pickle fork to get
Look at how much I got out.
Using a pickle fork to get the elliptical washer off that friggin' camber adjuster. It's not even sketchy. As long as it tightens, it doesn't matter.
First of all, that's
now
not
you
our
have
fault.
now you have other
This dude put like 4 fucking washers behind it.
fucked.
Yeah. You might want to jack it up. It's kind of hard to get this bolt off.
What do you mean jack it up?
Like, come on this side and like jack it up from the center support.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't even see the freaking. Yeah, literally you can't see anything. There's a one-piece drive shaft in it now. Alright, we're calling it a day on Don's car. We got the rear arms in, rear coils in, drive shaft in, radiator, clutch fan, clutch shroud, or clutch fan shroud. I think that was it. Just need to get some MAP gas so I can actually get these bolts out, and my torch is at the shop, so can't do that. But yeah, we should be alright. There we go, all freaking cleaned up. In we go. Get some food. Don's gonna bring me to the shop. I'm gonna work on my car. Ugh. And everything will be nice. Alright, well, we're back. Yeah, I'm gonna put my shit back together. Woo! I'm freaking tired, guys. I got to sleep way too late last night, and I'm just tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wing and bumper back on, and put the blinkers back in the bumper and all that jazz. All right, I got my taillights in. This drip's a little bit more noticeable now that this thing's laying out flat, but like I said, very, very much luckily, it is in the clear coat. Yeah. Got the front bumper on, lights on, all that good stuff, and let's go ahead and put the wheels on. Well, raise the coilovers, put the wheels on. All right, and if you look up here, yeah, you can kind of see it. Here, that's the chassis harness. So what I did is I just self-tapped one of these brackets I got with my intercooler for the Z, bent it up, and then over here bent it up, and now it's all tucked up above the, like in between the fender and the frame. So no rubbing should occur. Alright, well, I'm about to go on the first little, not really test drive because I already kind of test drove it, but I did a little bit alignment, did a little bit of raising the car up. I still have to raise that side a little bit more. I'm gonna say right off the rip, I'm kind of nervous about the hood. Now let me tell you why. It just doesn't look like it took like the rest of the car, and I'm thinking that's because of how it reacted before. So I don't know. I do have enough color to do the hood, so I'm not too worried. I could always strip the whole hood, and like if I repaint the hood, I'm gonna literally just paint strip the whole thing. I'm gonna put it on these stands. Shout out to Justin's dad for letting us use this. Thank you, Mr. De Silva. I'll put the freaking hood on one of these stands, and I'll just completely strip it down, reprime it, and reapply whatever. And that won't be hard. I'll just pull the car out and I'll just do it right in here, and it'll be bing bong, bing bing bong, real easy. But it's pretty cool. Dirty, gotta be washed. You guys can definitely expect a detailing vid, but I'm gonna pull this thing out and go to, I think, I don't know, CVS or something like that. I just want to get some green tea and some like snacks and whatnot. Yeah. Also, the skirts aren't bolted up or anything. They're just kind of there, but they sit in there pretty damn good. Alright, let's go. Thing looks fucking sweet. Oh no, it's raining. Gotta get the hell out of here. Bad wipers. Alright. Nice little CVS/Walmart trip. Did pretty good. Obviously, like I said, not tuned yet, but let's, we might be able to get that done tomorrow. So let's hope everything goes cool. Also, my wideband sensor stopped working. There goes 50 bucks. Let me pull this thing in now. So yeah, there it is. Very nice. So, obviously I couldn't film that much today, but I got what I wanted to get done. Definitely got to readjust that exhaust because I do not like the way that sits. Need wipers tomorrow. Alright, so tomorrow's goal, like ideally, I don't want to say goal because I don't know 100% what's going on, but ideally this thing will have a new O2 sensor, be street tuned, and have wipers and detailed maybe. Or at least clean out the interior. I could detail another day, but at least clean out the interior. That would be cool. But yeah. We're getting somewhere. H2OI countdown. Oh man, it's getting close, guys. Closer than I care to admit. It is officially so it's Saturday now, so we have all of next week, and then the week after that, Wednesday, we leave. Wednesday, probably, I don't know, morning or midnight, I don't know, whenever. We leave whenever. Probably like 5, 6 a.m. ideally. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Got Don's car going a little bit, got my car going a little bit. We're making steps, we're making strides in the right direction. I still have to raise this side up more, by the way. I keep, like, downpipe very low. They don't make 2.5-inch oval. Oval very expensive. Need to raise car up so I don't damage downpipe. But I guess that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. If you guys enjoy these videos, let me know in the comments and slap a like on the freaking video. I will see you guys in the next video, where hopefully I could freaking daily this thing after tomorrow's video. It'd be a great help to, you know, own a vehicle that drives. So yeah, also I put a little sticker here. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.